Another critical pretrial hearing has just wrapped up in another case, a murder case of two teenage girls out of Delphi, Indiana. The judge overseeing this trial against Richard Allen has delayed the trial to October. It's a decision that comes 1 week before the trial was set to start. Allen is accused of killing the two girls, Abby Williams and Libby German, in 2017. NewsNation's Kelsey Kernstein is live in Fort Wayne, Indiana, with the latest. There's a new trial date now, Kelsey. What happened in this hearing?
You know, Marty, it was very heated inside the courtroom this morning. We can tell you there was a lot of back and forth between the judge and the defense. The defense saying, right, this trial was supposed to start this Monday, and then it was supposed to end through the end of the month. And they're saying that this was not enough time for the defense. This would have not allowed the defense team to have enough time to lay out their witnesses after the prosecution, saying 2.5 weeks won't work for us. So basically, the defense said, we expect 15 business days, and that is it. We're not going to butt on this. And basically what ended up happening is the judge said, well, what do you want me to do? I've already sequestered. I've already asked for these jurors to come in. I've already made arrangement with vendors. What do you expect to be done? And they said 15 business days. That's what we're demanding. And if you don't give us that, then we will threaten to disqualify you as a judge on this case. So ultimately what happened is they went for recess. The judge then came back, and they've now set a new trial date between October 14th through November 15th, about 6 months from now, Marni.
What's the prosecution saying? Are you hearing from them, Kelsey?
You know, it was pretty interesting today. They really didn't say much, but what they did say is that they're frustrated. They've been compliant, is what they've said, and they said that originally they had more than 100 witnesses. They then reduced them down to 40 to 45 witnesses, and they've done everything they can to streamline this process, and they feel like, wow, this is frustrating because all of next week they had plans that their witnesses would be in town and be there to testify, and that's just not going to happen now.
Yeah. And talk more about the strained relationship now between all of the attorneys, these legal teams, how this moves forward.
Yeah, so that is pretty interesting because I'll tell you, it was so strained in the courtroom. There were times where you're just sitting there in your seat being like, wow, what is going to happen next? At times it almost felt disrespectful. So the judge basically saying, hey, I'm not going to be sending any emails because I know if I send emails, it's going to get out to other people. So now what she's saying is the only way that she's going to say what she has to say is either publicly or via orders. We also know that the prosecution and the defense, they're not even talking to each other. They will only be speaking to each other, well, quote, speaking to each other via email. It was extremely strained in the courtroom this morning. I think one very interesting statement that was said, Judge Fran Gull said, I see no reason that this case cannot be done or handled in 30 days. Defense attorney Bradley Rossi for Richard Allen then said, you don't know anything about this case. Well, we do know that she's been handling this case and covering it for quite some time now, Marni. But there will be new motions that will be discussed between May 21st and May 23rd, and we will be here following those. Marni?
All right. And again, a new trial date for October. Kelsey, thank you for that live update. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.